YUZEN's current performance highlights include an anniversary capacity of more than 450 units of inspection and automation machines, and over 2,000 successful cases across 400 global customers. The YUZEN product lines covers the entire plastic containers product flow. In the front end, YUZEN has damage-free bottle handling robot. In the inspection station, YUZEN has AI inspection machines for caps, bottles, preforms, IML containers, and printing. In the back end, YUZEN has automatic cartoning and package solutions.
Before introducing these systems, someone may be interested in how AI inspects the products. The first step will be feature selection. For AI to identify defects, it must first recognize the object. Just like teaching a child to recognize a cat by its feature. Pointed ears, tail, and whiskers. The system selects specific features of a bottleneck or body. This builds the machine's initial perception of the product. The next step is training and mode. From seeing an image to reaching a conclusion, the process is simple. A small number of template images are labeled to select features. These are then used to train an AI mode through neural network algorithms. Once trained, the model has the ability to recognize images and make final judgments. Like shown on the PowerPoint, the sample training data to the neural network, and then we get the conclusion. But what we need to pay attention is that there is two basic principles needed to obey. The first one, the model learns network parameters from labeled training data so that the output probabilities align with the annotations. And the second one, annotations represent the upper bound of performance. A mode can only approximately the annotations, not exist them. And next step is accurate judgment. The final AI mode can accurately identify images, categorize defect types, and perform both quantitative and qualitative analysis. Data that cannot be described by simple mathematical models can be represented through deep learning. Deep learning is a powerful tool for building mathematical models for arbitrary complexity. To attend the China Plus in April 21 to 24, welcome to our booth to watch our latest showcase machine and visit our website, add our WhatsApp if you need. Thanks for your attention.
Okay, I will choose some questions from the audience to answer. And the first question is, can you compare YUZEN's AI inspection machines with other competitors?
Yeah, I will answer the question. The first advantages we have is the edge computing versus cloud dependency. Most competitors rely on cloud-based computing power, while customers must upload data and wait in queue for model training. And YUZEN's solution is local computing deployment with offline storage and physical isolation. And the next advantage is on-site training. All AI mode training is completed locally on the device. there is no queuing, and the response times are extremely fast.